Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make these keto mini cheesecakes. Hey there guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. Today we're going to be making some delicious keto mini cheesecakes. One of the most popular recipes on my blog is my big, delicious New York style keto cheesecake. It is huge, it's perfect for parties, but I get a lot of people who want to know how to make it into a mini version or even like individual individual cups. So that's what we're going to be doing today. We're starting with 1 1/4 cups of almond flour, and this is for the crust. We're going to add in 3 tablespoons of granular sweetener. I'm going to add in a pinch of salt, and we've got 5 tablespoons of butter that's been melted. So that's all that we need for the crust. So I'm just going to stir all of this together. Okay, now that we've got our crust all mixed up, I'm going to divide it evenly into these muffin tins. We've sprayed these with cooking spray already. Okay, we've got that all divided out, and now we're just going to use our fingers to press it into the bottom. Okay, let's set this aside and get working on the filling. Okay, we've got all of our ingredients here for our filling, and I've got my mixer standing by. We've got an 8-ounce block of cream cheese that we've softened, and you want to make sure that it's really soft so it will mix really well. There won't be any clumps. I'm also going to add in 1 egg that's also room temperature. You just want to make sure all of your ingredients are room temperature. I've got 1/4 cup of sour cream, 1/4 cup of powdered sweetener, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So now we're just going to beat this until it's all combined. Okie dokie, that is ready. Okay, so now I'm going to use a 2 tablespoon measure. This is 1/8 cup, which is 2 tablespoons. And I'm going to divide the batter evenly in the muffin tin on top of the graham cracker crust. Okay, these are ready for the oven. They're gonna bake in a 350-degree oven for about 18 to 20 minutes. Whenever they're finished baking, unfortunately, they've got to cool in the refrigerator for at least 3 hours just so they have time to set up. Okay, our mini cheesecakes are out of the oven, and we put them in the freezer just to make them ready faster. And they come out of the paper so perfectly, just like that. So let's try it out. Those are so good, perfectly sweet. You're going to love them. These will be perfect just to have in the freezer whenever you want a sweet treat, or you can serve these for brunch or something, or you can just eat them for dessert. Make sure you check out my other cheesecake recipe, the one that started it all, and I will see you guys later. Bye.